Local school districts are putting extra emphasis this year on training staff to spot troubled students going through a difficult time.
Action News Jax Letitia Barriola shows us how Duval County Public Schools is teaching workers how to recognize a potential problem before it's too late.
Yvette Davis is a senior at Douglas Anderson School of the Arts. Her focus, creative writing. One of her passions, promoting better mental health on campus.
Our adolescent years are the prime time for us to explore our relationship with our mental health. And after we turn 18 and get into the world, there is a lot of pressure to continue climbing the ladder of life.
Davis was diagnosed with bipolar disorder at 13.
It's been very hard, but thankfully, I've gotten a lot of support from my teachers.
DCPS says there are at least 4 school employees at every district school who've gone through specialized mental health training.
Get to encourage self-help.
I sat in on one of those training sessions to see firsthand how school staff is being trained. In one exercise, 3 administrators role-played a scenario where a student is hearing voices and is struggling to connect with her teacher.
Why are you talking to her?
Wait a minute.
I can't to her.
No.
Why is she
Yes, I
talking
did.
to you?
I can't.
Why do you think she wants to talk to you?
Katrina Taylor, Director of School Behavioral Health, tells me the district isn't asking for perfection. They're educators, not clinicians, but teachers are expected to apply what they learn here.
Which is assess for risk of suicide or harm, listen non-judgmentally, give reassurance or information, encourage appropriate professional help, encourage self-help and other support strategies.
When there's a major mental health challenge on campus, staff can call the school district's crisis hotline. A crisis school psychologist is on the other line, and they collaborate with a rapid response team. They come to the school to assess the student. That could result in using the Baker Act, which would commit the student to a mental health facility.
1,300 calls so far. Is that number high?
That's a good thing.
Taylor says that shows training is working. Last school year, 210 students were committed to a mental health facility after a school official made that call. That number is up about 30 students more than the year before.
They're looking at the signs, they're looking at the symptoms, they're recognizing them for what they are, and so they're making that call.
Davis believes the burden is on the school district to create a safe place for students to open up about their mental health challenges.
It doesn't come that easy. It's a whole battle up in a person's brain, and if they don't feel comfortable, they are not going to feel comfortable until the outside world changes.
And when it is a safe place for a student to ask for mental health support, their potential is limitless. Letitia Barriola, CBS 47, Action News Jax.